Today during our PWS lesson, we counted the number of syllables that were in certain words. To begin, we used the word wise, wisely, and unwisely, which has 1, 2, or 3 syllables. For today's activity, you are going to read the words at the bottom of the page. Then you will determine how many syllables are in each word. You will move that word to the correct box based on the number of syllables that it has. The word wise has 1 syllable, so if the word down at the bottom only has 1 syllable, you will move it to this box. The word wisely has 2 syllables, so if the word down at the bottom has 2 syllables, you will move it to this section. And the word unwisely has 3 syllables, so if the word down at the bottom has 3 syllables, you will move it under the word unwisely. Let's practice one together. If we look at the word accident, accident has 3 syllables. So I am going to move that to the box that has the word unwisely for 3 syllables. You are going to do this for all of the words down at the bottom. Submit on Schoology when finished.